In this video, I am going to show you how you can boost or enhance the colors of your image using Camera Raw. These methods will work both for Camera Raw plugin and Camera Raw filter. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. So, without losing any more time, let's quickly jump into the video. First and foremost, convert the image layers to smart objects to work non-destructively. To know more about this, please click on the link I have provided in the description below. It is always advisable to work non-destructively. After converting it into a smart object, go to Filter. Then Camera Raw Filter. In the basic panel of Camera Raw, you will find controls called Saturation and Vibrance. You can boost the colors of an image using this saturation control. But when you increase saturation, it saturates already saturated colored pixels to their full spectrum. As a result, an image becomes oversaturated and color clipping is created. The vibrance control solves the problem. If you push the vibrance slider up to 100, the image will not look oversaturated, and no color clippings will be created. And it will protect the skin tone as well. But the problem with vibrance is, it affects all the colors. To boost or diminish specific colors of an image, you have to use Calibration Panel. At the very bottom of the Edit section, you have a Calibration Panel. It is the most powerful and smart way to boost and enhance the colors of your image. Few things to keep note of while working with colors in Photoshop. Digital images work in RGB mode. RGB means red, green, and blue. Both red and green colors have some amount of blue in them. And blue and red have green in them. If we want to boost the yellow color of the tower, then we are going to increase the saturation of the red primary. Notice it boosts the yellow color, but also gives a slight boost to the blue color of the sky. We can choose green primary too. As colors are interrelative to each other, you will find a similar kind of result. To gently boost the colors, you have to work with all three sliders. However, before boosting image color, you must first learn how to use Camera Raw to fix exposure and white balance, add sharpness, eliminate distortion, and make other essential modifications. Now, if you want to know how to use Camera Raw, then you can click on the screen right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.